Come on! It usually shouldn't take this long. Hey, welcome back! Hey, are you okay? No. Are you crazy? Are you trying to hurt yourself? Yes! But why? Because I'm a jinx to everyone in this damn universe! What? No, you're not! Yes, I am! I hurt Jam. People tend to die around me. My parents did the right thing abandoning me at birth. I'm just a jinx. I wish I was never born! That's not true, and you know it. I'm pretty sure if you just talk to him... Talk? Talk?! He'll never talk to me again after how I treated him. I doubt anyone else would want to either. Okay, that's wrong, and you know it. Come on, I'm pretty sure the others do want to talk to you. Whatever. You're probably just saying that just to shut me up! What? Where's my leg? I'll get you a wheelchair. Lack of magic must have prevented me from reforming completely. Thank you, Sunset.
I know. And going by my own experiences, they'll forgive you.
Honestly, I hope you're right.